Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Let me get. There you go. How's everyone doing? All right, so just waiting for New York to open. It's going to be hitting these highs up here for sure. Why not? Why wouldn't we go up 100 points, right? We haven't been this high in a long time. We haven't been this high in a long time. Excuse me. Damn. That's crazy right there. So let's see what's going on if we have any news. Anything really. So let's see. You know, I swear, man, this. I fixed it and then it messes up again. Really, we need to just do it from here. There you go. Because the 95,000, that's just a stem account. You know, we don't really care about that, do we? Look at that. Push right back up. The London open, the London close. Like I said, we're waiting for 5 more minutes. So we're definitely 15-minute. I'm just trying to figure out where we are at. What does this horizontal line do? Let's see if that creates some support. Now if we look at, it's 5-minute time frame, this is some support right here. We'll see. So now we just wait for an open. And right now the 1 minute got bearish on both 15 and 5. So we got a minute. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. Seems like it doesn't want to go past that. All right, so looks like we're kind of going down. Like, is this coming up here and then going back up? Like, sometimes I think that that's sometimes the play, right? Comes back and goes right back up. All right, right now we're going down. 5 minutes says down, 15 minutes says down. And the 5 minute says bearish, but the wicks kind of don't. It's almost like I want to click buy here. Yeah, we open, we get a higher high. This is a low, higher low, and then goes back up. And that's what it looks like. Right. And then we'll try for a higher high. 40 points. It's got to get up to this area here, right? I'll just make a quick couple bucks here. Oh, I'm okay with popping out after this. 360. Having trouble, like, I'll just get out of it. I think it's 230 bucks, but looks like it's having trouble. Look at that. Doo-doo-doo-doo. And it comes back up. Damn, look at that. A banger. Coming down. Now it's gonna go. So it failed. Make this a new high, but again, oh, I almost want to enter here. Come all the way up here. Come right down here. At 60, say it's 40 points. We'll see. Oh, we'll see. It jumps. This is a half of the orb. It jumps past here. I'll buy another one. Yeah. Is this a 10 a.m. reversal? Fuck, it is. Oh no. It is. This is a 10 a.m. reversal. So we wait for a 15-minute close beyond the teal box. So do we wait for that? And then what do we target here? Down here? And I would be targeting down here. This has all been chopped through. A 10 a.m. reversal is perfect. Look at boom and then crash. Can we push out of here? Still think we're going up. Yeah, look at that. Just banging it out. 60 points right there. ATRs are like super high. Still says down though. I would not trust this. We are definitely in some shorts. We are definitely in some shorts. I don't know. So we'll have to wait for the 15-minute close beyond. Reserve 15-minute. We still got 8 minutes. So we'll see. Gonna come all the way back up. Doesn't look like it. Oil's dumping, so I should buy, right? That's the buy, right? That's the move. Oil's dumping, it should be pumping. Wait for a pullback. No, there's the 2-minute chart. We're still overall bearish. And we've got this right here. There's a hard stop right here. Let's see if it gets it up to here and rejects. If it rejects, I'm taking it. Let it reject right here. Close, reject. And take it all the way down here. I mean, maybe not. No, something like this, maybe. No. But even if it ejects here and comes all the way down here, like 33 down to, that's 100 points right there. Like, is that the rejection up there? Oh no, we got candle closures up here, so I'd like to see a candle close up in this area for a rejection down. And is that the rejection here, up here? No, it should be going down again. I mean, it's failing, but I see it pushing up here. Yeah, it's going to be pushing up. Big waiting game, right? That just... I'm pushing past this. Oh, we disconnected for a second, so sorry about that. But let's see. We're still. Let's see how it's just. All right. Let's see. I mean, you got 1, 2, 3. If it taps here again, like I really want to take that short. I really want to just take 2 contracts, take it all the way down as far as I can go. You have all this range bait. I mean, now we're still bearish on the 15-minute, still bearish on the 5-minute. It's like, I want to just take this cell. You know? We'll wait to see if it touches. Take a nap right now. It's got to get past this point right here. Okay, so hop down. So maybe the move is up. That's not what 5 and 15 minutes tell me. Are we going to push through this? Yep. And below, it's like I almost want to take this short, but we could come right back up in here and test these EMAs. Of course. This is the orb. Demon orb. Got a minute. Maybe we'll come back up to here, test the EMA, come back down. Let's test these these EMAs real quick. We'll see if this is support or resistance now. A good reaction. Yeah, like I almost want to take this sell here, but I mean, if it, you know, we've got higher, higher high, lower high, higher low, or higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, so lower high, and this is a good sell right here. We take it down to here. Because this is the open. Right here. 66. But we'll see. I mean, I've already popped through these. So we're already not doing well. Not doing well. It says still down on the 15-minute. Still says we're going down on the 5-minute. I mean, 30 points, man. If this trade doesn't play out, then I'm done for the day because it's like 10:27. But we'll see. Well, if it goes all the way down, we'll take it all the way down to down to here. Take it all the way down as far as it'll let us go. But we'll see. Was this a 10 a.m. reversal? Remember, like right here, boom, 10 a.m. reversal, boom, down. Like crazy. It's not wanting to go past that though. You see that? It's like not wanting it. I almost want to add in here, but I don't want to be too greedy. I'll just, if we can get down to here, I'll do we'll go break even and just let it ride. Because look at, we've got, I'd like for it to come down to this area. Especially, it's got it could come up and then come back up to here. But, I don't know. We really got a bunch of shit right here we have to get through. But who knows? Well, this is a 2-minute. So we'll wait. We will wait. Getting through some shit. Getting through some. Needs to get through this. Yeah, listen, above 800 for the day. That's not bad. Still waiting for a 15-minute close on beyond this teal box. Like, if we get a 15-minute close, do we take that? In 13 minutes. We'll come back up. I don't know. We're up $800. We'll come down to here. It's got something's trying. Could it just dump right here? Go down to this low for London. Could be. Could. But we're at $100 for the day, so I think we're good enough for now. Yeah, there's not really much else I would go for. This would be a nice move right here, 60-point move. If it showed me promise, but could just rip right back up here. Ripping right back up. So we created a higher low. Now we created a lower low. So we need a higher low. Unless it's not done with this move. So we'll see, like maybe here in this area. And then it will continue down. Maybe we'll take one more trade. We'll see. We got 10 minutes for this. No. It's a 30-minute close. Looked like it kind of rejected off that. Do we take this? Needs to make a higher low. Or lower high. Need a higher, lower low. We need to make a lower high. But if it goes without me, it goes without me. And I'm not going to be mad. I'm up 800. It's looking like it's creating, like this area is creating resistance right here. But we'll see with the second candle. If it can push up, it looks like buyers are stepping in. Want to do one more sell, but to me this is like another move down. Let's push up here and make a high right here. We should be going down. Yeah, now we've got nothing but time to come down here. So he took out this like push up. We'll try for one more. One more. We'd love for it to create a... This is a lower low right here, still create a nice higher low. Or a lower high. And then it collapses down here. That would be fantastic. But it seems like it's trying to just take out this, which it should be able to. Yeah, it's gonna go without me. We'll just wait and see if it really does go down to... This is an open from London, or London lows here. Yeah, OBS just keeps going back and forth. I don't know why. Come on, let's create a higher low. I mean, we got 2 minutes. On the 15-minute chart. Then it says to, you know, take that trade, so we'll take it. We're at a lower high here right now. Let's go up and touch this. We got 2 minutes. If it closes outside this 15-minute, it says to take a short. So, do we? Looks like it's hunting the London lows, that's for sure. And if it does get to that, like, look at that, just gets to that, like, well, it hits the lows, like, where's it gonna go? We've got 52 seconds, so unless it pops back up, like, I want to see it give me a little bit more room. There's a lower high, or higher low right here. Who knows? 12 seconds, it's gonna start, it'll tell me to take a short here. So we'll do what it says. And see if we will come out on top. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We'll get rid of all this nonsense because we don't need it. But I'd like to see it hit the London lows. It's following a trend. See that 2-minute trend? We could do it like that, but not really. I'm looking more so like, this is more of like the trend that I'm looking at. But I still think that come up here, it could definitely come back up here. But we're going to literally play it the way it's supposed to, they say. See, it's bouncing off of the 50 EMA for on the 15-minute. Love for it to come up here and then bounce and then take another position as it comes down, but we'll see. Right now oil's pumping, so it should in theory be dumping here on the NQ, but it's not really. So, you know, we got a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high here in this area. Comes down, takes that. I mean, it looks like to me, like in the 5 minute, we're a bit bullish now. So it's on the 15 minute, we're bullish. So, yeah, like not good for us. Not good for us at all. Especially since we are 800 now. We just need to we can't make a higher high here. If we make a higher high, then I'm really screwed in the pooch. And that higher high might be up here. That's where it might come out. But really, like, this is a high right here. This is a low, high, low. Trying to make a higher high right now. Goes pushing down, but I almost want to add in right here. I rejected. I'm gonna add back in. See where this candle, if it engulfs it. No, let's not add in. Just let it play out. The indicator says, you know. So, I mean, it made this lower high. Like, it should go to the London low. At least. At least go to London low. Right? At least London low. So we're making a lower low here. And we got a minute, and if this 5 minute engulfs, I mean, we're looking really, really good. In a minute, I'll show you. See this 5 minute engulfing. So, really not bad. I mean, we should, like I said, kick down to the New York, the London. Yep, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm gonna put my stop down here because I don't think we gonna go back down there. Should we get out at 2,000? I think we're gonna keep going, but. Oh, what's the 5 minute say? 9:06. Look up here. We could get out and make 1,700, but let's just look at like what we got here. It wants us to go here, but really it's like, do we want to go here or here? Like, obviously there's a bunch of stuff here. You see how we just took out London lows. This is from, yesterday. But I mean, this where it bounces back here. I mean, we made a lower low, so do we make a higher low and it goes up to here and then comes back down? I'd like to see it just dump, but I'm not privy to all that cool stuff. Now we did have a great 5 minute candle closure below. I mean, that's really good. It would be stupid if we went back up. I mean, we did reverse a little bit, pull back on a 5 minute. So we should be making some lower lows. It should continue lower. I'd like for it to continue below here. And if anything, we'll go to the 5 minute, see if there's any 5 minute levels that we can see. So once it closes, like closes here, oh yeah, that's basically where the target's at. Oh yeah, that's definitely where I would be at. So I think we're good on that. I think we're good, so we'll keep the trade the way it is. Because it looks like definitely like where I would like for it to not go back up and take me out, but if that's the case, that's the case. It'd be crazy if it makes this huge dick down and then engulfs the 5 minute candle, right? It would just be dumb, but who knows? And that could just be it. Like they could have just taken out London lows and then it will try to make a higher high. I mean, do we put our stop up where we originally had it? I mean, I don't know. This is where my buddy would take another contract right here. You know, in the 5 minute again, we haven't engulfed. This is good. I mean, I almost want to take another contract here. But it's not showing me that it's... Well, we take out this, like, we're pretty much going to be going up, and I can close my trade out here. Yeah. And look at that, like, it's a nice trend line here that it established a little bit. Like, I do want to take another contract here. Because to me, like, it just seems like it's going to go back down again. But, never know. Could go straight up. And 1 minute shows that it's going to go up. We've got going up on the 5 minute. Bullish, bullish, bullish. We were up 2,000, now we're down. Well, like... Let's make a higher low here. We made a lower or lower high. I mean, I really like this. Almost want to just buy another one or do another short, but 15-minute. I mean, I want to, but I'm gonna exercise restraint and just let the trade play out. I'd like for it to come down all the way to my TP here. You know, its next area, and it already popped through here. I mean, I don't see it. Next area I see really is, you know, this area here. Because if it can come down through here, then it's going to target this at least. And then the next one would be like right around here. And then we off to the right. Well, yeah. I mean, we could take this for about 1200, right? Call it a day, but for it to keep going. But the market does what it wants. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Come on, come down to the 760s. You gotta close like at the 20s right here. If you close below the 20s, we're good to go. Looking good for the 15. It looks good everywhere, but you gotta push through the 20s. Well, we did really respect this like trend right here, which we kind of respected it. Like, it needs to just make another push down. I mean, oil is pumping hard right now, so we should be going down. But again, it hasn't been like that. It's like weird. And this. And like the last 5 minute would be like 7, right? So I should put it like right here and forego, you know, an extra $600 of losses. But you know, the market could just pump up. But think about it: if we get up to here, we close up here. It's a. I'll put it my stop just a little bit lower. We've respected the orb low. You know, the 30-minute this whole time. And it might come up here and test that. But right now, oil's just pumping and pumping. It'd be nice to see a dump. Let's see what it does. Yeah, I mean, right now on the 5-minute, I mean, we're still bearish on the 5-minute. But on the 15-minute, still bearish. It's trying to become bullish. This is the first time we made a higher high, but really the higher high I would say is up in this area. If it gets up to here. We'll see. Like I said, like, it's really, this is when we're going to be taking longs, I guess. But if this takes me out, it takes me out. I wouldn't take another trade today. I'd say screw it. It's not my day today. I mean, we're up $400, 500, but I mean, this is still a higher low or lower high. I'd like to fall down to here. Oh, I would love to just click sell again. Now we've got and then golfing on the 5-minute, like, yeah, it could come back all the way up. I mean, it's very doable. Very doable. Let's just push back down. Let's have another good push down. Let's have sellers step in and push it down. I ain't doing no complaining. I mean, what we've done, we've went from lost 200 points. Like, let's keep going. I mean, I kind of want to get out of here, out of this, because this doesn't seem like it's going to. On a 15-minute, it looks like it's kind of done with it. On the 5-minute, like it's having trouble pushing through here. Same with the, look, you can see on the 1 minute, just in oil's skyrocketing, so it should dump here. But it's not. Okay, there it goes. Oil skyrocketing. It should dump. We should take these lows here. At least take these lows down here. Got to create a lower low. We're not creating a lower low yet. Create a lower high on the 2 minute. The same within the 5 minutes. Like, I almost want to take this and call it a day. And say, hey, but oil's still pumping, and I want to continue this down. It needs to close. Needs to close like 8:06 on the 5 minute, which is in 2 minutes. So if it closes like in 2 minutes down here, I will be happy. Because the last 5 minute candle is 90, and 90 would be like here, which makes sense. There it goes. There it goes. So it took out these 15, well, it almost took out the 15-minute lows. Did it? No. But it's hunting for it. That's for sure. It's hunting for it. Well, we're up 2,000. Should we just say screw it? Or do we go all the way down to our TP? Are we greedy? Well, came all the way down to what? 30 points? Like, gotta push, but it pushed back up. I could push right back up to here. We did create a lower low here. And we need a higher low, so somewhere up in here. Push back down. We'll see. Could stop us out. But confident for the trade. Yeah, I don't really like this 5-minute candle. I don't really like the 15-minute candles. Not really liking it, but I'm going to be... Yeah, like, do you see that? Like, it's gonna pop back up. Yeah, it's popping up. Let's go to the lows down here. Yeah, like the lows down here on the 15-minute. It's like right here. It almost did it. Like it's there. Create a lower low. Okay, with a higher low up here. But takes me out, it takes me out. If it does get back up here, I'm gonna just say fuck it, and I'm gonna buy back in. If it does get back up here. Oil's dumping right now, so this should be pumping. Oh, I could just take the 1300 and call it a day. What would be the fun in that, right? This is probably where it says, you know what, we're gonna go up now. 15 minutes says that. The 5 minutes says that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close out here. I mean, it's not really showing me that we're gonna be doing anything crazy. Oil's dumping like hard. And we can close out with $1,000. We'll wait for one more candle. See if oil. And just a lot of wicks on the 15-minute. And it just doesn't make me feel good. Doesn't make me feel good. I would have thought that it would have been down here by now. It'd have been pretty safe from our entry point, but it's okay. Yeah, just, I don't see it. I see this is where you've got problems here. Be nice to come all the way back down here. If it comes all the way back down here, definitely I'll put it at break even, because if it does go back all the way up to here, then it would be a reverse in trend. Yeah, I'm not liking, like, sellers are having a hard time pushing price down. Buyers are keeping it up, and that just doesn't make me feel good. I mean, we're already, 1,500 in. Like, it'd be great to see a really good push out down to here. Five minutes still looks good on the bearish moves. I mean, we made a lower low, lower high. Now we need to make a lower low. We need to come down to the 60s. We need to take this low out. We need to take that low out. No matter what it does, you need to take the low out. We make a lower low down here. I will bring my break even. I'll put it at break even. Wouldn't do it right now, but that's where I would be. Because really, like, the last 5 minutes should be what, at 49? What are we at? 74, 62, 49. Like, that's the last 5 minutes. But I don't trust that. I mean, I really don't trust that. I think that really it's like here. But we'll see. We just need to close through here. Right now it's creating a lower high. I mean, it's, to me, like, it still has some room to move, so. Needs to flush this area. Needs to flush that area. We've already created the top wick on the 15-minute. We need sellers to step in and really push price down. We got to create a lower low here. It's going to be a big push down. If it fails, do we get out? You know, it's got a lot to move. It's 63, so it's got 50 points really to move. And this is the London low here, so let's close below that, you know? Let's get a nice candle closure below that. You know? Let's say, hey, we're gonna go past the London low, not just wick it. Not just wick the London low, let's go past the London low. Come on. Let's get some push through. That's not what I want. $49. I mean, I'll put it at break even. That way, if it does go up, it does go up. It's not really the best thing because it could definitely come up to here. But at least we're not going to take any losses that we already have. So, you know, we only have 800 in the realized P&L. So we'll just let this trade play out. It stops us out. But the last 15-minute candle, you know, if it wicks above that 50, we get at 56, so. Looks like it's gonna come right back up. Made a higher or lower, a higher low. But yeah, if it pumps up to this area, could see it just stop me out, which is fine, and we'll be done for the day. I mean, we're up $800, so you take what you can. And yeah, it's gonna definitely stop me out. So yeah, or $800. I'm not gonna, you know, this looks like we're going on the up. So whatever. We created really it needs to create a higher high here, but really didn't want to go past this. Anyways, guys, you have a great day. We're up 800 for the day. Good job, I guess. So we'll see you tomorrow.